Hello everybody. Today we're at the terminal, the Crete terminal here in Cheyenne, Wyoming. This is pretty typical of most of the terminals that you go to. You can see your paperwork and offices to the right there, and then looking over here, here's the driver's lounge with the easy chairs, the big screen TV, some cards if you want to play, or tables if you want to play cards. There's a little kitchenette here. You can make coffee. There's a microwave. There's a refrigerator. Vending machines. Somebody has left some Christmas goodies, and there's some popcorn there and some Christmas cookies. Here's a place that you can go in and get on the net if you need to plug in. Again, they have men's and women's restrooms here. They're pristine. I won't show them to you, but they have someone that comes in daily and cleans them, and they are absolutely pristine. They do have showers. In this particular case, they've got 3 of them. One of them is out of order, but the other 2 are, that one right there is occupied. The one down here is not occupied, so I'll show it to you. It is to match and rival anything that you're going to find on the interstate. Good, clean, huge open showers, plenty of hot water, pristine as they can be. They keep these things just absolutely clean for the drivers. Out the door there to the back parking lot, here's the laundry. They have plenty of towels in here. Here's where you get your towel and your washcloth. There's a sink for washing dishes if you need to. There's commercial grade laundry in just about every terminal that you go to, so you can do your laundry. It's free. It's one of the perks of being a Crete driver. Excellent way to get clean your clothes, and unwind while you're here.